Today's install is going to be pretty quick. This is a LED light strip that goes in the frunk here. Super simple. Just lay that down. I'm going to pop this off, unplug the light. This side here, that's kind of a semi-transparent, that's going to face down. So whatever way this goes in, it needs to face down. So as you can see, I've got that side facing down. So I'm going to go this direction around the inside. All I'm going to do is put this up under this lip all the way around until I get back to here. I'm doing this one-handed. I'm going to stop the video, put this in, and then I'll show you. All right, 3 minutes later, I'm almost at the end. Get this last couple inches under this lip. There we go. It is all hidden. You can see it's right up under this edge all the way around. All right, so the only thing we have to do is take the plug from that goes to the light and switch, plug it into the female end here, this wiring harness. All right, it's working. And then this other end of the wiring harness, we'll plug it into the switch right here. And that's it. Then we just need to tuck the wires somewhere and put that panel back on and download the app so I can set the color. So as you can see, this is not ideal. I've got it just kind of coming out right here on the side of the panel, all this wire hanging here. What I'm gonna do is I've got to replace the Night Rider light down here. It doesn't work anymore. I'm gonna put something else down there. When I do that, I have to take the frunk out anyway. So when I take the frunk out, I'll actually go behind here and have all the wiring secured underneath where you can't see it. And that'll be it. Super simple install, except for hiding the wiring. Yeah, it's just really quick, really easy. All right, it's almost dark. As you can see, not only is it fun, but it's also useful. It really lights up the frunk really, really nicely, better than the little button light. Really happy with it. I like that you can change the colors to customize it however you like it. There are different patterns like flashing and can go along with your music or whatever, but yeah, I'm happy with it. Easy to install. It'll only take a few minutes to take the frunk out and put those wires inside. Alright, so now I've got the wiring hidden. As you can see here, I cut a little notch in the top of the frunk back in here, just enough to fit that plug through. And then take this out to show you. And then I've just got this wire coming in where the old wire came in. So the other wiring is up under here. Used a zip tie to hold that down, and yeah, just cleaned it up a little bit. Looks a lot better. Obviously, no wires hanging. You can see that wire just goes right under there, and then it's hidden by the rubber seal. I'll put the link in the description, and you can get it for yourself. All right, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time.